Hey guys, welcome to another painting video. This time we're going to do something special that I wanted to do for a long time. We're going to do a swipe. Well, it's a pouring, a fluid pouring. Then we're going to use wax paper to do something with it, to do some sort of a swipe. So you're going to say, I think it's going to be very interesting. And like always, say hi to whiskey. I don't take whiskey mind a lot to being there. So anyway guys, let's go and try it and let's come back at the end to talk about it. Let's go.
Knew you would call back. You must be missing me so bad. When you left, you said that I don't deserve you, but I can see that you don't want to lose what we had. Oh, you're the one that I need. Let's just take it slow and just breathe. Loving someone is not easy, you know, but it makes us feel alive, so we go with the flow. Just love me harder, have no mercy on me, just tell me louder. If you're loving me, just love me harder, have no mercy on me, tell me louder. If you're loving me. Can I tell you what I want? Can I tell you what I need? Can I tell you what I want? Can I tell you what I need? Just love me harder, have no mercy on me, just tell me louder. If you're loving me, just love me harder, have no mercy on me, tell me louder. If you're loving me. Love me harder, have no mercy on me, just tell me louder. If you're loving me, just love me harder, have no mercy on me, tell me louder. If you're loving me.
I think it's very interesting as a finish. I think just the way we did it using a lot of Floetrol instead of water, I think it gives a finish which is for me more interesting. Of course there is some cells. I don't like very much cell, but in some case I think you have to have some. So of course I think this is the time to have some, and I think it's great. The mix between all the colors, and we did use our wax paper. I think it's great. Anyway guys, it's always subjective, it's a question of taste, but one thing is for sure, you have to try it at least once to be sure if you want to do it again or not. But anyway, I think it's never not good. I think sometimes it's not that great, but anyway, I think it's nice all the times. So guys, like always, don't forget to subscribe, and of course to come and join us on Facebook and Instagram. You have the link in the description box, and like always, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next painting video. Take care guys.